Hello and welcome back to English with Confidence.
Many people say, "My English is weak. I cannot speak fluently." But let me tell you one truth today. English is not difficult. It is just a skill, and any skill can be learned with patience, practice, and persistence. Think about a child. When a baby is born, does he know his mother tongue? No. He learns it slowly, by listening, repeating, and making mistakes. The same way, you can learn English too. Step 1. Listen more. Surround yourself with English. Songs, movies, speeches, anything. Your ears must feel comfortable with the language. Step 2. Speak daily. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Start with simple sentences like, "I am hungry. I am going to school." Speak to yourself in the mirror. Speak with friends. Speak without fear. Step 3. Read and write. Read small stories, articles, or newspapers. Write your thoughts in English, even if it's just 2 lines a day. Slowly, your words will become stronger. And remember, mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you are one step closer to improvement. So, my friends, don't say, "I cannot learn English." Say, "I am learning English every day." Because success in English, just like success in life, belongs to those who never give up. Be confident, be consistent, and one day, you will not just speak English, you will inspire others with your English.